Hey there guys, Erica here from Ep8. We are working on the Gelande again, and as you guys should know, I received a very nice shipment of RC parts. They were delivered on a trailer to my house. It was very great service, I must say. If you guys haven't seen that video, it was a ton of fun to make, and I recommend you go watch it. That would have come out in the last probably week or so, because I'm filming this in advance. And I will have a video up shortly about the forklift that was also featured in that video. But, so most of the parts in that shipment were for the Gelande. Some of the ones we're going to be using today are here in front of us. Got tires, a steering guard, along with some shock springs, but that's unrelated. We're not going to be dealing with those today. And also some front CVD axle shafts and drive shafts, but we'll do that in another video as well. So let's go ahead and get these off their pallets. And then before really I get too far into anything, I kind of want to address the elephant in the room, which would be the tires. After I got them, I kind of realized that they're way too big. They're like way too big. So that was a disappointment, to say the least. So here we go. Just put these aside for now. Yeah, so these are the RC 4-wheel drive Interco iRock Super Swamper tires. And while they are truly a lovely tire, I love the way they feel. They're super sticky, nice and soft, and I can tell that these are going to be a great performing tire overall. They're a little bit big. just a little bit. They're like way bigger. And I was dumb enough not to think about that. I mean, I did, but not enough to go and measure. I thought, 3/8 of an inch, half inch, that's not that much bigger. Yeah, it's kind of a lot bigger. So I've learned my lesson. I've not wasted $50 because these are like going to be great tires and I'm going to use them for sure. But I don't really like buying things that I'm not happy with, as nobody does. But so first thing really I want to do is take this spare dirt grabber and stamped steel beadlock, take this apart, mount this tire on this beadlock, and just fit it in the front and rear just to see if it will actually fix. If it'll fit, I'll roll with it, but if it doesn't, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to get some smaller tires then if they don't fit. So let's go ahead and take this apart and get it fitted up. Alright, so you join me back here. I'm just taking the front tire off. And I will say, these tires are not exactly made for, well, not the dirt grabbers, but these guys are not exactly made for these beadlocks. They're definitely very narrow, the beadlocks are, and the tires are rather wide, so they're not exactly the best. Well, I'm okay. I'm amazed that it fits in there. That's a bit of a surprise. And at the end of the day, I think I'm going to need your guys' advice on what I should do. You obviously probably get a new set of tires. Not now, but wait till the build is done. So that's full compression. And it rubs a little bit back here on the back of this inner wheel well, which I could probably just heat and bend back a little bit. Although, then there's steering, and let's see, it rubs a little bit up here by that pan-hardened link. And because I'm putting, yep, that's going to be a rub spot right there for sure. About the other way. And the other way. Amazingly, see that? It clears it. Look at that. It clears it. Sorry, I know the camera's not in the right spot, but that's a surprise. So, okay, so far it's looking okay. But now we have to test turned, like the wheel turned and suspension fully compressed, which, yeah, no, that's not happening. Okay. What about this way? Oh, heck no. Yeah, no, there's no way. That's squishing. Yeah, Nope, definitely not. That's a bummer. Yeah, I can see right in there, it's all squished up in there. That's no good. That's not gonna work. Well, okay, hold on. Let me try one more thing. I can move... no, I can't. I was gonna say I can move my shock screw down a hole, but I'd have to drill another hole in this thing. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Give me a second. Alright, well, I think that's definitely better. Although, it still squishes in the back. Yeah. I mean, at least now it's not rubbing at all when the tire's straight. What about this way? Yeah, it still rubs. If the bumper and this body mount was like farther apart just a little bit, it would be okay, because then I could bend the plastic or the styrene out a little bit and it wouldn't really rub. But they do look kind of dorky, I will admit. For this body, I'm not so sure about these being the best tire. See what I mean? They're just big. Like, they're just big looking. That's all it is. Let me zoom out. Nah. I mean, it surprisingly fits the flares okay. But yeah, no. Well, looks like I'm gonna have to get some new tires at some point. I mean, obviously I'm not gonna let these go to waste because they're great tires, but probably not for this rig. I'm sure we'll probably try them once the thing is done, but oh well, it is what it is. So for now, I guess let's move on, install these front axle shafts and the steering guard. So that should help boost our spirits a little bit. Even though I already knew that these weren't really going to work, so. Moving on. Alright, I've already removed both tires and the wheel wells because that was getting in the way of some screws that I need to work on next. So I think let's start with the axle shafts. That seems like a good thing to do. So screw on top of the C-hub, screw on the bottom of the C-hub, and then we should just, the hub should just pop off and the shaft should come out, in theory. Alright, so there's a dog bone in here. There's one half of it. There's the other half. Ooh, look at that! That's a tiny little bearing. Tiny little bearing on the end of that shaft. Alright. These are the old ones. Grab the new one. This is the short side. That bearing on. This thing, whoa, back into there. That's nice and tight. It's a good feeling. Alright. That's looks like we gotta take the steering thingamabob off. Steering link, that's what it would be called. Let's try. Alright, so I recall a tip from someone on YouTube, not to me directly, but just someone on YouTube in general. They said if you're doing these little bushings in the C-hub cups, take a little dab of grease and put it on there, and that'll help hold it in place. I think that's what the trick was. See if that holds true. In theory, the grease should hold it. Huh. Ha! Yeah, look at that. It actually works. That's nifty. Alright. You go in there. Like so. Oh. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Alright. Oh. Okay. I didn't pay attention. There's apparently 2 short screws and 2 slightly longer screws for this. And I wasn't paying attention which ones were which. I think these little really short ones went in the top, as I recall. God damn it. What is going on here? Cannot get these things in. Alright, maybe it was those ones. Was it those ones? Maybe it was those ones. Yeah, okay, maybe it was those ones. Okay. Let's do the bottom one. Yep. Short ones go on the bottom, longer-ish ones go on the top. Okay. See? Alright, there we go. There's one side. All put back together. Cool. And while we're over here, go ahead and take these screws out. Oh no. Ah, that just stripped. Damn it. Okay. I have, so that's a problem, but I have some brand new Allen wrenches, and hopefully these won't strip because they're brand new and not worn or anything. Okay. Whew, thank God that one didn't strip. Okay. Dang, the Loctite they use on this stuff. I don't get it. Oh my God. This does not feel like a blue Loctite. This feels like a purple Loctite. It's not red, but it's like stronger than blue and way stronger than it needs to be for a freaking bumper. Okay. There's one. Now, I stripped that one out. That's not good. No. Damn it. God damn it. Fuck. Yeah, that's shot. Great. Now what am I supposed to do? Alright, I got new shafts in on both sides here. I just went ahead and did the other one off camera because it was a little bit finicky to do. And then as for the screw over here, I'm going to have to take it outside, get the Dremel, and Dremel a slot, and then use a flathead screwdriver to try and get that thing out because it's stripped. And yeah, I've had this problem somewhere else actually. Don't remember where, but I had this problem that there was a screw that was stupid tight because of the Loctite they use, and I wasn't happy. But I'm gonna just go do that real quick and come back when I'm done. Well, there you go. That sure worked a charm. Screws now out, and we can proceed in installing our steering guard. Alright, back on track. I am going to be replacing that screw I cut, of course. But now we can install this thing and put the screw in there. There you go. all tightened up. There we go. I'd say that looks pretty clean. I like the way it looks. I just temporarily remounted the shocks up there without the wheel wells on because I figured, well, I'm going to be doing shocks anyways. Probably next episode. Maybe not next episode. We'll see. I'm not sure what next episode's going to be just yet. But anyway, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Sorry if it was, if my flow was a little bit weird. I haven't done one of these type of videos for quite a while now, and I'm definitely a little bit out of it, so my apologies. I'm sure it probably felt a little weird, a little bit wonky, a little bit off, but anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Also, if you want to get notified of episode 9 of the Gelande upgrade series, and leave a comment down below what you think about these tires, if I should try and make them work, or if I should just go and find another set of tires that would look better, or that would fit better because they would be smaller. Also, any suggestions of a 4-inch tire. That's my maximum, is 4 inches, so if you've got a tire that's about 4 inches tall that you really like, that would be good and scale looking, post up in the comment section and let me know. So, again, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.